In this video, I'm going to show how to solve this set of equations on Maxima that the professor goes over in his ideal op-amp practice video. So if you want to see how he gets the equations, you can go back and watch that video, and I'll show you exactly how to put this into Maxima. This is what Maxima looks like as soon as you open the application, and the first thing you do is click on this Equations tab and then click on Solve Linear System. Then you have to enter the number of equations you're going to be entering, and for this problem there's 8 equations. Then you type in the equations exactly as you solved for them, or exactly as you wrote them down on your piece of paper when you were going through the KCL and EFC. Now that all the equations are input, I want to touch on, make sure you use parentheses just to make sure that Maxima knows the order of operations that you're doing, that you want the equation to be computed in, just to be on the safe side. And I'm just inputting all of the equations exactly as we found them in the video, but obviously you could figure this out by yourself. You don't need to plug it into Maxima, but you'll know how to use this technique for more complicated problems in the future. The next thing you have to do is input all of your variable names that you use throughout the equations. And lastly, before you hit OK, just make sure that you have the same number of variables here as this listed as the number of equations that you have inputted. Then once you hit OK, it will compute all of the values for the variables right here, and you can check with the video and see that the V01 and V02 output voltages that we calculate here are the same as the professor calculates in his video. So this is a basic example of how to use Maxima with that problem, and you can keep using Maxima for all of the problems throughout the rest of the course. Thanks for watching, and have fun using Maxima.